Okay, so basically, since we've last, for those of you who are not here, we're going to go over a little more of what we did. I fixed some things from Tuesday, just some little bug things, added some animations. But basically, on our game, what we've added to make it a little bit more fun is we've added a paralysis spell. So, like, basically, it'll paralyze enemies for 5 seconds within a certain range of you. You only have 3 of those to add a little bit more action. You also have enemy, well, I'll see what that one. So we have doors now, so like instead of it just being like a maze, there's actually like puzzle elements to it. So you have to go get, you have to be able to find the key to go unlock the door. So you have to make your way through, through all the enemies, through everything that's going on. If you get within a certain range of the enemies will try to track you. And so they'll try to find your location. They'll go to your nearest location. If they get close enough, they'll just chase you directly. And so after you find the keys, you have some paralysis spells you can use. And the other thing that you can use to your advantage is that the enemies have footsteps that you have to listen to be able to tell how far away they are, which kind of helps, because you obviously can't see everywhere, so you kind of know whether an enemy's coming, not coming. If you're getting close to one, it has footsteps. And so right now Frank he's got the key to go back to the door. And you only have 3 spells each level, 3 of the paralysis spells, so Frank's already down to 1. And if you get caught, you start the whole level over. I don't know why the sound isn't playing over the speaker, but if you're close, you can probably hear it. Next time we'll also be adding like dashes, finishing up these levels, adding more enemies, making it a little more difficult, things like that. Since it is more of a puzzle game, it's a little more like slower. It's a little more of a slower burn than just like shooting around, doing stuff like that. But we're hopefully going to be adding some more stuff. That's pretty much it. But we're hoping to be adding more stuff to make the game more interactive as you're playing it. Have to think more and more.
Well, one feature we're working on right now. So we already have the keys, but another thing, ever know like in games where, like especially like in Lego games where you have to push a block along a groove and fit it into a button. So we're thinking of we're working on, but like pushable blocks that you push on the buttons. That's another thing that open doors, or that you need to collect multiple keys just to open one door. Pull levers. Change up level because we have different settings depending on where you are at. First level is the village, second level is the forest, third level is the cave, fourth level is the castle, and so it may depend per level. And yeah. Sorry about that thing. The collider just, we GitHub thing. The collider was working. If you saw last class, it was just this time it was like a script thing in GitHub, but that is working when you do get caught. We have significantly decreased the catch distance. So right about right here, as soon as it turns red, even sometimes if you're too close when it's yellow, the level restarts. And we have a startup screen, or not startup, like a game over screen, a pause screen, working on a save system that you can save what level you're at. You notice right there in the top there's crystals. That's a secret you can find. There's 4 secret crystals you can find across the game. If you find all of them, that unlocks the golden ending of the game. And the memory bar will also fill up the more you remember. The more you remember about who you are, because it's a game about protagonist has amnesia, trying to recover pieces of their soul. Anything else to add, Chad?
No, that's it. like that, and we're also gonna add a tutorial so that way you can